Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another plant unboxing. So I just finished wrapping up my philodendron planting with Jewelyn video, and I just received mail, plant mail, and I'm about to head out to teach my night classes, and I have the box here. So I don't know what's going on with the box. It is open and I'm really worried that my plant got stolen. I can't see if there's anything in here and it feels really light, so I'm kind of worried. It was supposed to arrive yesterday and I don't know. It arrived today with it busted open and then zip tied together, so hopefully nobody stole my very rare plant. If you guys love unboxing videos, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm really excited. Is it okay? Let's see here. Okay. I'm gonna be so worried if it's not in here because this was very expensive and probably my most expensive plant to date. So here is the condition of the plant inside and how they packed it. Again, I don't know if the seller shipped it like this or not. So here it is. Okay, so it looks like they taped the plant down there in the box. Really hoping I was gonna get this before I leave for my night classes. So, oh my goodness. This on the side. Okay, that was really strange. Okay, here it is. Yay! It's gonna be a quick unboxing video, but if I can set it up depending on what the root ball system looks like in this video, I'll do that too. Probably have to leave the house in about 10 to 15 minutes because of traffic. Oh my goodness. I've been on a kick on rare plants lately. I've been expanding my philodendron aroid collection. So I had to finally pick up a Thai constellation. After I seen the one in the Philippines, I had to pick it up. So it looks like they have it in some moss wrapped up here. And there is two split leaves here. Here's one and here's the other. And then this one doesn't have a split. So let's see what the root system looks like and if I can go ahead and do a quick planting. Okay. So this is the root ball and here is my plant. Now I know there's only 3 leaves, but this is by far my most expensive plant in my collection to date. And I have another rare plant baby or 2 coming, so stay tuned for more unboxing. So let me see what I can do to set this up. As you can see, of course, it's a cutting, which is very typical for these very rare philodendrons. And also, look, a new baby. So let me see what I have and let's plant this up. So we're gonna work with my little setup here. I have a bin filled with houseplant soil and I have a white planter. I'm just gonna stick it in here just to kind of make it easier for me. And I don't have to replant it again and not fuss with the plant, especially since this is a rare plant. So this is my EB Stone houseplant soil with worm castings in it. And I'm just gonna leave the plant like this in this mixture. And hopefully it'll be happy. This is a quick little planting. Set it up in its new home. What do you guys think? This is going to live in my bathroom. Oh, poor thing. Hopefully it'll open up and fix itself, but for now this is going to be the setup in this planter, and if and when this plant gets bigger, which I can't wait for, then I'll go ahead and put it into a bigger white planter. That is gonna wrap up a very quick unboxing of my very rare philodendron, and I finally invested in a Thai constellation. And stay tuned for more unboxing. If you enjoy seeing me do plant unboxings on the channel, sound off that in the comments down below. I rarely do them, but if I'm trying to get these very rare unicorn babies, then I'm gonna have to do some plant orders from time to time. And most of the plants are tropical plants, which is a hit or miss when it comes to finding it in California. A lot of it comes from Florida. I think I'm gonna have to go down to Florida to do some plant and travel content, so stay tuned. Who knows? But if you guys enjoy seeing me finally get a Thai Constellation Monstera, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a Thai Constellation, let me know in the comments down below, how did you purchase yours, how long have you had it, and where is it styled in your home? I would love to know, because for these types of plants, it's very rare to find them being sold by a big nursery. For the most part, you probably can find it from a seller who has it in their collection that's willing to give you a cutting or sell off the whole plant. So stay tuned. I'll be doing more unboxing videos and I'll keep you guys posted on the Thai Constellation. I'm so happy it's here and it arrived before I'm heading out to work. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. You can find more on my blog at alojewelyn.blogspot.com. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Until next time, aloha from my new Thai Constellation here in Santa Monica, California. Bye!